classroom to the comfort of your home, Nischals Smart Student Kits bring the wonders of activity-based learning to any environment, transforming every space into a realm of exploration and discovery. Tailored to each grade, these portable kits provide customized learning experiences covering the specific mathematical concepts of grade 1 through 10, with 100 plus tools offering more than 50 experiments and supported by grade-wise AR-powered lab manuals and video guides aligned with both Indian and international boards. These kits facilitate hands-on exploration, ensuring a seamless transition from one grade to the next. Let's take a look at some of our tools in the kit that revolutionize traditional rote learning methods. Our multi-link cubes are a versatile tool unlocking over 120 principles including arithmetic progression, geometric progression, HCF, LCM, the Pythagorean theorem, and more. One side of our geoboard features a square board for exploring 2D concepts and properties of polygons like rhombus and pentagon, while the other side presents a circular geoboard for learning circle theorems, all in one tactile tool. Nischal's Number Balance is an engaging tool for teaching arithmetic fundamentals. But that's not all. We offer a variety of tools, each tailored to teach different concepts of math. Explore probability with dice, understand place value with expanded notation, master mensuration with 3D shapes, delve into trigonometry with clinometers, and grasp factorization of quadratic equations with algebraic tiles. Made from safe, durable, food-grade materials, our child-centric kits are easy to use and are packed with vibrant colors, making them as exciting as they're educational. And with our video guides and AR-powered lab manuals, lessons come to life with over 500 3D simulations, ensuring an immersive learning experience like no other. Get your hands on Nischal's Smart Student Kit and dive into the world of math, where learning isn't just about numbers, it's about igniting a passion for problem solving, nurturing curiosity, and cultivating a deep appreciation for mathematical concepts.